Introducing the myASErenewal app. Answer questions throughout the year to extend your certification. Available on your smartphone, tablet, or computer. myASErenewal enables you to maintain your ASE certifications while keeping up with changing technology without ever stepping foot in a test center. So how does it work? We will send you one question per certification area each month. View the questions when it is convenient for you and answer them within the allotted time. Then we will tell you which answer was right and why. You will earn points for answering questions correctly, and once you earn enough points, your certification will be renewed for 1 year. Miss a question? No problem. You will get another shot at the same topic later on. The app is easy to use, helps you learn, includes a peer discussion forum, and much more. Our goal is to promote continuous learning. Ready to learn more? Sign up for a free 3-day trial and get the myASErenewal app today. myASErenewal. Maintaining your ASE certifications just got a lot more convenient.